Welcome to Hands-on Equations, Lesson 16, Part 1. Today, what we're going to learn is how to draw the equations that we have been getting used to over the past 15 lessons. So we're going to start with the equation 2x equals star plus 6. Now, in order to draw this, we are going to use triangles. Shaded triangles are x's, looking like this, and this equation says 2x's equals a star, which is not shaded because it's the white pawn, plus 6. So what do we need to do? We need to make sure that we isolate our pawns and our cubes or our numbers. And the way we're going to do that is by creating a zero pair on the opposite side, because this is what we want to get used to. So I'm going to put a zero pair, which is a white and a blue pawn, or a shaded and an unshaded triangle. And now I have two of the same thing, one on each side. So I can get rid of that on each side, which leaves me with 3 x's equals 6. So in my calculator or in my head, I can take 6 divided by the 3 pawns, and that's going to equal 2. We know that x equals 2 because that's what we have left here. These are the x's, they are the shaded ones. And then we'll know that star is the opposite. It equals -2. And that's how we solve this problem. So I'm going to give you another example of how to do this. So we're given the problem 2x plus star plus 3 equals 2 star plus 15. Okay, so we want to draw that out. We have 2 x's, they are the shaded ones, plus a star, which is the white one, plus 3 equals 2 stars and a 15. So the first thing we can do is take away a zero pair. Bye-bye, zero pair. I'm just going to cross you out. I don't need you anymore. The next thing I want to do is get rid of this 3. I can get rid of the smaller number by subtracting it from each side. So that's going to cancel that out. I took it away from each side. And now I have x equals 2 stars and a 12. So again, my job is to isolate the pawns and the cubes or the numbers. If I want to take this away, I'm unable to do that because that leaves me with nothing on the left side. So I need to get these away. And the only way I can do that is by adding zero pairs to the opposite side. And there we go. There's 2 zero pairs that I've added to the opposite side. And now I can get rid of what is the same on both sides, which are the stars. That leaves me with 3 x's equals 12. I can put that in the calculator as 12 divided by 3. That's going to give me 4. And I know that x equals 4 because that's what I have on the left side. And if x equals 4, I know that star equals -4. So that is how we draw these out using the triangles to be our pawns and using numbers for our cubes. In the next part, which is part 2, I'm going to explain how to draw it in a different way, just using x's and stars. Thank you, and have a good day.